Hey guys, hope you're doing great. Just want to show you quick shortcut keys in Excel that I use every day, and they pretty much save a lot of time for me during the day when I need to complete some task or I need to do some assignment. Let me show you first four. That's just like a top I use almost every time if I need to copy paste something, or if I forgot and I delete something I need to undo or redo. So first two will be copy paste, and it's very common. You might know, you might not know. If you don't know, that will save you time. So to copy something, you need to first select the area you want to copy. In this case, I want to copy this row, and press Ctrl C. And let's say I want to put this row or copy this row down below. To paste something, I press Ctrl V. And here you go. You see I copy the same row down below. Pretty easy and pretty useful, especially if you work a lot in Excel. That will save you a lot of time instead of, let's say, using your mouse and every time right click on your mouse and press this copy or cut. So speaking of cut, you can do the same. Let's say if you don't want this row to be here, but you want row to be here instead. So you just select again the row you want to cut, and instead of Ctrl C for copy, you press Ctrl X. So I want to paste it here, I do Ctrl V. As you can see, it deleted here and pasted here. So then my next shortcut key for you will be create a table. So you can always go and find here where's the table, but you can just select the data that you want in a table and press shortcut keys Ctrl T. So it will ask you, hey, is that a data you wanted to be in a table? And you say yes. And here you go, you have a nice formatted table. And if you want to go back, remember the shortcut that you just learned, it's undo or Ctrl Z, and you go back to your previous format. And if you actually like the table format, you can redo and go to Ctrl Y, and it will bring you back to the table format. To continue, I want to show you some other shortcut keys that helps me. The first one is, let's say I have a column here with the date. So instead of typing the date, today is 5/5/2020, I can certainly do that, but the faster way will be if you use a shortcut. A shortcut for paste today's date will be Ctrl semicolon. So you click Ctrl semicolon, and here you go, the date is here. Instead of date, let's say if you want to paste today's timing, like time that is right now, so you can just add shift, and instead of date, you can paste the time that is right now. So I click Ctrl Shift semicolon. The time is right now is right here. Pretty useful, especially if you're working with dates a lot, and if you need to paste dates or timing, so that's pretty useful, I think. Okay, and the last set of shortcut keys I want to show you will be in case you want to make your text bold, italic, or underline your text. Let's start with the bold. I will work in column C. I will select the area I want to make bold, and I press Ctrl B, and it made my text bold. If I want to go back to my previous text, I just press Ctrl B again. Next, I want to show you italic, and it's Ctrl I. Same scenario, you select the area you want to make italic, Ctrl I, and Ctrl I to go back. To make it underline, you just do similar shortcut keys, but in this case it will be Ctrl U. And it's highlighted under your text, and to go back you just do Ctrl U again, and it went back to the normal text. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to click like. If you have your own shortcut keys that you use and you like it and you believe it's saving you a lot of time, please comment down below if I like to hear, and maybe I'll use yours.